Very good morning, students. Here is lesson 3 of social studies, changes in the transport system. We have discussed this chapter and today we are going to do the question answer of this lesson 3, changes in the transport system. So open your book, students, on page number 21. Here is a practice session given. Take the correct option. Okay, question number 1 is here. With the invention of the wheel, at first the ancient people made. 4 options are given here. First one is carts, then bullock carts, bicycles, none of these. So the correct option is bullock cart. With the invention of wheel, at first the ancient people made bullock carts. Okay. Second question is given here. Roads made of mud and stones were called. 4 options are here. Pakka roads, metal roads, highways and kacha roads. So the correct option is kacha road. Roads made of mud and stone were called kacha road. Okay. So you take, okay na? First one is bullock cart and then second question answer is correct option is kacha road. Then the third question is given here. The first train ran between Bombay and Thane in year 1953, 1593, 1853 and 1855. Okay, जो पहली ट्रेन मुंबई से थाने को चली थी वो किस सन में किस साल में चली थी. सो उसके 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 1853. इन ईयर 1853 the first train ran between Mumbai to Thane. Okay. Question 4 is here. Ships are used for carrying. Options are here. Bulky goods, ice, light goods, none of these. So the correct option is here bulky goods. Okay. Ships are used for carrying bulky goods. Fifth one is here. The Wright brothers belong to which country? The Wright brothers belong to. Options are here. India, USA, China, Japan. So the correct option is USA. Wright brothers belong to USA. So take in this option. Okay. Then is question answer of this lesson. First question is here. Define transportation. I will not write the answer on blackboard. You just write the question from the book. Okay. And after writing the question, you just write the answer. Question 1 is here. Define transportation. So the answer 1 is here. Transportation refers to the movement of people and goods from one place to another. This is your answer 1. Transportation refers to the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Okay, this is your answer number 1. Then after completing answer 1, just write the question 2 from book. What are national highways? Question 2 is here. What are national highways? So answer 2 is there. The roads that connect state capitals or major cities are called national highways. Once again I repeat. The roads that connect state capitals or major cities are called national highways. Okay. After completing answer 2, just write the question 3 from book. And the question 3 is here. Comment on the railway network in India. Question 3 is here. Comment on the railway network in India. So the answer 3 is here. The network of Indian Railways is the largest in Asia and second largest in the world. Railways are the most popular means of public transport in India. Once again I repeat, the network of Indian Railways is the largest in Asia and second largest in the world. Railways are the most popular means of public transport in India. So this is your answer 3. Question 4 is here, what do ships require? Question 4 is here, what do ships require? So the answer for ship require ports for loading and unloading. Ships require ports for loading and unloading. Okay, this is your answer 4. Let's come on question number 5. When was the first airplane invented? Question number 5 is here. When was the first airplane invented? So the fifth answer is in 1903, the Wright brothers invented the first airplane. Answer 5th is in 1903, the Wright brothers invented the first airplane. So this is your question answer of the lesson 3. I have written the answers here. You just write the questions from the book and complete the answer. Okay. Now see, match the columns. In option A, first one is land transport, then GT road, then palace on wheels, fourth cargo ships, fifth Boeing 747. In option B, you can see the options. First Kolkata Peshawar, B aeroplane, C roadways and railways, D luxury train, and E bulky goods. So don't match this column by making a line or just put the numbers. See, first one is land transport. So the correct option is roadways and railways. So just put the number 1. Roadways and railways is the correct option from this question, land transport. Okay. Then GT road, it's Grand Trunk Road, and the option is Kolkata to Peshawar. Okay. GT road, Kolkata to Peshawar. Just put the number 2 here. Then palace on wheels. Here is luxury train. Put the number 3 here. Palace on wheels, luxury train. Okay. Put number 3. Cargo ship, bulky goods. Option 4. Put the question number 4 here. Option is 4. Then Boeing 747, and here is the correct option, aeroplane. Okay. Just put the numbers. Okay. This 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Then after is here true false. The invention of wheel was one of the greatest invention of the early human. This is your homework. Okay na? The invention of wheel was one of the greatest invention of the early humans. It is true or false. You have to find out and complete it. Question 2. Road transport does not cause any pollution. It is true or false? Road transport does not cause any pollution. Then third question is here, metro trains connect 2 cities. It is true or false? Fourth one, an oil tanker carries petroleum oil. It is true or false? Fifth one, airways are the slowest means of transport. It is true or false? This is your homework. This true and false is your homework. Okay. This true and false is your homework, and also this fill in the blanks is your homework. Here see, first one, the history of transportation is as old as the dash. Second, city roads also have dash. Third one, the dash introduced the railways in India. Fourth one, dash are the most expensive means of transport. You just do this C, fill in the blanks as a homework, and the true and false it's your homework. Okay. ये आपका homework है, ये आप करके after completing this you will send me the attachment on campus care. Okay na? So here we have done the question answer and take the correct option, and this match the following. C, question number C and question number E is your homework. Complete it and send me the attachment on campus care.